In the smoke I saw a face, not a ghost, not a man, something older than memory. The flame whispered a name, but the night swallowed the sound. Hands above the stage of shadows, pulling strings I cannot see, laughing masks and crying faces, dancing for eternity. Eyes of fire and silent statues, stone that breathes a dying spark. Every soul becomes a puppet when the world goes fully dark. Smoke climbs higher through the silence, truth dissolves in shifting air. What is real beneath the surface? What is hiding underneath despair? We are shadows wearing faces, dreams disguised in borrowed skin, laughing while the world is breaking, crying where the light has been. Through the fire and through the ashes, through the masks we all become, every soul a silent actor, waiting for the final drum. Golden circuits in our memories, burning softly in the dark. Clouds of thought above our heads, every heartbeat leaves a mark. Stone and smoke and skin and metal, every form begins to fade, but the story underneath us is the mask we never made.
Listen close, the smoke remember.
Every face we hide behind, every lie we leave inside, every tear the mask is crying, every truth we try to hide. We are shadows wearing faces, dreams disguised in borrowed skin, laughing while the world is breaking, crying where the light has been. Through the fire and through the ashes, through the masks we all become, every soul a silent actor, waiting for the final drum. The final drum.
When the smoke clears, the mask remains, and the mask was always us.